Welcome to DevTech Minds. This is the third video of 30 Days of Pandas, and we are solving customer who never ordered. So let's read the problem statement. We have two tables in here. First one is customers and second one is orders. The customer table contains two columns, ID and name. ID is the primary key and then we have the names. The order table once again contains ID and the customer ID. Let's read the question now. Write a solution to find all the customer who never orders anything. Return the result table in any order, so the order is not concerned anymore, and then the result format should be following. So we need all the names of the customer that never orders. Now how will you find it? So we have the customer table and the order table. So if there is the customer ID in the customer table but not in the orders table, which means that that customer never ordered anything. So let's try to get the output. So we got this function find customers. It takes two parameters, customer and the order. Both are data frame type and we are returning only one output, only one table, that is once again a data frame type. Now once again I'll recall that we are finding that customer who is present in the customer table, whose ID is present in the customer table, but whose ID is not matching with the customer ID in the orders table. So that's what we have to find. So once again let's create a variable. Find customer df is what I will create. Now we have condition that there should be customer ID in the customer table which is not matching the customer ID in the orders table. Okay, so we need customers. So if I just take customers and let's take all those customers IDs. So once again customer, and we're gonna take the ID not in is what I want. So here in pandas we can provide not in. Let's provide not with the operator in here, which is this operator, this whatever we call it. But yeah, we got this operator as not, and then we got the operator as is in. So not is in, and I'm gonna check it with the orders. So orders customer ID. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it in here. So this will serve as not, and this is in, and I need a dot in here. So yeah, so the customer ID where the customer ID not in, so it is serving as not in, and this is the customer ID. So these are not matching. If the condition is satisfied, we can get the output. Now we can return. So let's return the this df, and let's get this df, and we're getting the name only. So we'll get name. One more thing in here is that if I get just this name, the output will be under this name. So the column name will be name. Let me just run it to show if I can see the output, or it will just let me throw the error. Yeah, it is showing me the output, but it is wrong because the column name is name in here, but it should be customers. So what we can change in here, we can add a rename in here, and we're gonna provide the columns, and that is equals to name, which is getting changed into customers. So capital, right? So now let's try and run it. Okay, so here we go, we got the correct output now. So it's simple. This is very simple. We're just providing the not in condition. So at the beginning I told you that we are checking for the customer ID that are present in here but not in here, so that can only be taken care of using the not in condition, and that is what we use in SQL, not in. But here in pandas you can simply use the operators. Like this operator will serve as a bitwise not, and this is just is in to check whether the particular data type is in or not. So if I just remove this will be that all the customer IDs that are present in both the tables. But if I just add a not, it is all the customer IDs that are not present in both the tables. So that is present in here but is not present in here. So now you can submit it, and I hope you understand that. That's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one.